How many instruments do you have on your bench right now? Here with the MXO3 series oscilloscope, I have a spectrum analyzer, logic analyzer, function generator, digital voltmeter, serial bus decoder, and an oscilloscope. In tab 1, I'm generating a modulated sine wave using the built-in generator. We are now measuring the signal in time and frequency domain. Additionally, we can add a DVM measurement, which you can now see at the bottom of the screen. In tab 2, I am showing logic analysis. In our last tab, I am decoding a low-speed serial bus UART. I know that it sounds like a lot in a compact form factor, but that is only a small preview of what the MXO3 is capable of. With its extensive application support and fast measurement capability, the MXO3 can transform your efficiency and productivity in the lab, all while providing precise and accurate measurements you can count on. Check out the MXO3 oscilloscope in your lab. See the difference.